Hey guys, how you going? Herbie here again. You know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and what we're going to do today is just show you quickly how to light the charcoal up in the charcoal chimney. It's pretty easy, but first things first. Now let's get into it. Caught a little rat here doing something to the grill. Right, lighter. Gonna get a couple of these firelights. Don't be bashful. Got about 18 or 20 briquettes in there. Just going to sit the lighters down on the floor of the grate. Light her up. Place the chimney on top. And just give that about probably 20-30 minutes. I'll see you soon. Well, I think she's ready to go.